All right, developers, welcome to The Explainer. You know how it is with AWS updates. Some are small tweaks, but some are total tectonic shifts. August 2025, it was definitely one of the big ones. AWS just dropped a whole new set of tools that are seriously going to change how we all build. So let's jump right in and see what this means for you.
And I'm not kidding when I ask that. That's honestly what these updates feel like. We're talking about tools that are designed to just get rid of the grunt work, make AI something everyone can use, and just speed up your day-to-day. This isn't just another small update. This is like a major upgrade to your entire development toolkit.
So for the next few minutes, we're going to cut through all the noise. We're focusing on the absolute most critical stuff you can start playing with right now. We'll be hitting on the serverless database revolution, a massive upgrade for your AI copilot, and some really cool new powers for AWS Lambda. First up, let's talk about something near and dear to my heart: databases. For what feels like forever, we've been chained to provisioning instances, guessing at scaling, and just managing things. Well, it looks like AWS is really trying to break those chains for good. This is a true serverless revolution.
So, say hello to Amazon DocumentDB Serverless. Think of it as a fully managed MongoDB-compatible database that just handles all the annoying parts for you. It literally starts up the moment your app needs it, scales up and down with your traffic, and this is the best part: it shuts down completely when it's idle. You know what that means? No more late-night capacity planning, and you stop paying for resources that are just sitting there doing nothing.
I mean, just look at the difference here. This slide says it all. We're moving away from that whole world of guessing our capacity, always over-provisioning just in case, and burning money on idle servers. The new way is all about automation. You pay for use with basically zero admin. And that's the real win here. You get to spend your brainpower on your app's logic, not on managing infrastructure.
So who is this for? Well, it's pretty much a dream come true for startups that have to move fast and keep their burn rate low. It's also perfect for any app that has spiky, unpredictable traffic, like an e-commerce site during a flash sale, a viral mobile app, or IoT data flooding in. And it's no surprise the source material specifically called out the Indian fintech and SaaS scene, where being able to scale elastically like this is a huge advantage.
Okay, next up, AI. If you've ever looked at building something with powerful generative AI and thought, that looks way too complicated or way too expensive, well, AWS just smashed that barrier to entry. Your AI copilot just got a serious upgrade.
And a massive part of this upgrade is all about making AI more accessible. The update puts a spotlight on enhanced language support for a bunch of Indian languages, like Hindi, Tamil, and Telugu. And this is a really big deal because it means developers across India can now build super sophisticated, market-specific AI tools, think chatbots, content creators that actually work accurately for millions and millions of new users.
So let's look under the hood. What's new in Bedrock AgentCore, the service for building these Gen AI apps? Well, you've got better support for mixing and matching different AI models. You've got much simpler APIs so you can plug AI into your apps without a massive headache. And there are new deployment templates to get you going way faster. And the cherry on top? New pricing tiers built specifically for startups.
So what's the game plan for building these smarter apps now? It's basically been streamlined into these 3 steps. You grab those new language-aware Gen AI APIs. Then you use the pre-built templates to skip all the boring boilerplate stuff. And boom, the result is you're launching powerful, relevant AI apps faster than you ever could before.
All right, our third big topic is all about developer velocity. I mean, that's what we all want, right? To get more done. Lambda has always been about just run my code. And these new updates are absolutely laser-focused on cutting out the friction from your daily workflow.
I think every single person watching this just nodded their head. That whole painful cycle of add a print statement, deploy, check the logs, realize you put it in the wrong place, and repeat, it just eats up so much time. Well, what if you could just not do that anymore?
Here it is. This is the solution. Lambda now supports remote debugging for JavaScript and Python right from your IDE. Just pause and think about that for a second. You can set a breakpoint in your code and inspect a live running serverless function in real time. That is a massive game changer for finding and fixing bugs. And on top of that, you're getting more runtimes for modern stacks like Go and new performance dashboards so you can see what's going on instantly.
So finally, let's zoom out a little bit. There are a few other key updates that really show how AWS sees our jobs as developers evolving. We're moving beyond just shipping features and becoming more like strategic engineers.
This chart here really captures that new reality, doesn't it? Our focus is getting wider. Yeah, we still have to build features, but now things like efficiency, sustainability, compliance, and just plain flexibility are core parts of the job. We have to think about what comes next, whether that's a hybrid setup or a multi-cloud world.
And to help us with that, AWS is giving us new tools. You've got the Sustainability Dashboard, which gives you actual data on your carbon footprint. They've improved AWS Outposts for anyone running a hybrid cloud, and they've enhanced EKS Anywhere to give you that flexibility to run Kubernetes clusters wherever you need to. It's all about giving us more strategic control.
Okay, that was a lot to cover in a short time, so let's just take a breath and boil it all down. What are the most important things you need to remember from this massive month of AWS updates?
If you only remember 3 things from this explainer, make it these. Number 1, the future is serverless. And it's not just about saving money anymore. It's about freeing up your team to focus on building great products. 2, AI is officially accessible to everyone. With better APIs and inclusive language support, it's not just for the big guys anymore. And 3, our tools are getting smarter and faster, giving us back our most precious resource, time.
But now, I really want to hear from you. Which one of these updates is going to make the biggest difference in your projects? Are you hyped about DocumentDB Serverless? The new AI stuff, or that Lambda remote debugging feature? Drop a comment below and let us know.
And of course, if you found this breakdown helpful, do us a favor and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.